are the things I bought from the market. Here is crayfish. This one is meat. I got this chicken meat. Let's see. So I got this one for 2,700 naira. This is the one part of the hand, right? Yeah. So this is the one part of the hand for 2,700. What do you think about this? Since I know today is Saturday, so I went to purchase for the market. This one is onion. This onion is 200 naira. What do you think about your area? So this is cocoyam grounded one, right? So I'm making oha soup or raw soup. Okay. So here is my rice, 2 mudu. I don't know how you measure your rice in your area, but we do it by mudu. Okay. So this one is shea butter. I bought shea butter that I'll be using for my hair. Then this one is goat meat. This is goat meat. This one is goat meat. This one is 2,500. I don't know why. If I use goat meat and cook soup or chicken meat to cook soup, I'm using hot water to wash it. I don't like eating it. You know, I don't like using goat meat or chicken meat, most especially chicken meat, to make soup. And even though I try to cook it, I will not taste that meat. I will not taste it until the meat finish. I don't know why. I prefer using it to make rice, stew, jollof. But for me, using chicken meat to make stew, to make soup, I don't like it. So guys, what do you think about this? These are the things I bought in the market today.